This customer was a retired school principal who had spent decades building futures for other people's children. After retirement, time slowed down, but so did his ability to keep up with the outside of his home. The back patio had darkened with grime, and the sitting area where he once hosted family gatherings had faded under layers of buildup. So Johnson focused on delivering real value within a simple budget. He began by pressure washing the patio, cutting through years of dirt to reveal the original stone beneath, removing slick moss that had quietly become a safety risk, restoring brightness without causing damage. No unnecessary upgrades, just precise, efficient work that made the space clean, safe, and welcoming again. And if someone who gave so much can't maintain it alone, maybe pride shouldn't stop people from asking for help.